Now, we all know the problems faced every day by the elderly. At home, watching television, something comes on they don't want to see, they want to change channel, can't reach, so they have to build up enough momentum, and that's hard if you've got arthritis.
However, you can now wave goodbye to the misery of being forced to watch Adrian Chiles. Because I've connected this chair to a 6.2-litre V8 engine. Now, the idea, we start up the engine, the chair begins to rock, and the old lady can effortlessly make Adrian Chiles go away.